to another video, and today's video is going to be super exciting because I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I have been getting a lot of support from you guys, and I just want to show you guys how much I appreciate your support, how much I appreciate you guys watching my videos, commenting, giving me feedback and all that good stuff. I'm almost at 100 subscribers. So yeah, I'm excited. But to show how much I appreciate you guys and how much I am thankful for all your support, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and I'm going to pick one of my first 100 subscribers. So all you have to do to enter is subscribe. And if we do hit the 100 subscribers before Sunday, I'm going to be announcing the winner on Sunday. So make sure you are subscribed, make sure you watch the videos, and I'm going to announce who the winner is, and I'll also let you know what you're going to be winning and what you're going to receive. And the only thing I'm going to ask from you is that you give me your mailing address or where you want your gift to be mailed to when I do announce the winner. So thank you so much for all of your support, and I'm super excited to be doing this giveaway for you guys. I think you guys really deserve it, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos. And I'm sorry I didn't put anything out on Sunday because I wasn't home, and I'm also working on another project that's supposed to be coming out soon. So that's kind of taking a lot of time, taking longer than expected. But anyway, that's coming out soon. And subscribe to the channel and enter for a chance to win and be part of the giveaway. Thank you.